Now welcomes you in the class of physical education for class 12 unit 7 physiology and injuries in sports part 2. In this unit we will carry on the topic the objectives of the first aid. In the objectives we will take some more points like stop bleeding. If any wounded person who is injured or who is having any type of injuries and the blood has the coming out from his body or from his any part of the body, then we should also try to stop bleeding at first, because if the excessive loss of the blood of the wounded person, maybe the life is not safe of the wounded person. So at first we should try to stop bleeding from that part or from the any part from there the blood has coming or bleeding has come out from the any organ of the wounded person. For that we have to be try to raise up that part or body part from the heart level. At first we should try this thing. Next one is we should try to stop bleeding through our thumb or through any pressure of the body part. We should try to stop the blood until the wounded person or injured person has not reached to the doctor at first. So these are some important things which we have to do to stop the bleeding of the wounded person. Second one is crowd kept away. We have seen in any accident or in any unhappening due to the accidents, then the crowd has gathered around the wounded person. Everybody wants to see the wounded person. So on that time it is very necessary, due to the most crowded has just come the surrounding at the surrounding of the wounded person, the fresh air has not come or reached to the wounded person or injured person. So at first we should just kept away the crowd from the wounded person, due to the take a fresh air which is very important on that moment for the wounded person. So we should try the crowd kept away from the injured person. Next one is wrap the injuries or injured part of the body by the cloth or any blanket, because due to the any body part of the wounded person or injured body part of the wounded person, we should try to wrap by the cloth or by the blanket. Due to that the nobody will try to see the injured part of the body of the wounded person. Second one, any type of the infection or any type of the dust will not come just over the wound of the wounded person. So these 3 points are very important or as a objective of first aid. In next part we will also carry on the some more important topics or points as a objective of first aid. Thank you.